In this video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can use to make money on Instagram. And if you're excited, buckle up because this is going to be a really good video. Hey guys, my name is Anmol and welcome back to my channel. I help people like you to grow their Instagram accounts, and also I provide you with the Instagram's latest updates. And if this is something you want to learn more about Instagram growth stuff, then consider subscribing because I make content related to Instagram growth every single week. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. If you did smash the like button, here is a cute picture of a turtle. All the things out of the way, now let's talk about the first way that you can make money on Instagram. And also in the end of this video, I'm going to tell you that how easy or how hard it's going to be to make money on Instagram. And if you want to know the answer, then simply stick till the end. And now let's talk about the first way that you can make money. The first way that you can make money is by doing drop shipping. And if you're not familiar with this business model, it is actually a really simple business model in which you just need to make a website with the help of a tool known as Shopify. You can still do it if you don't know how to do coding, or if you don't know any computer language. Still you can make a website, and then you need to import products from a website known as AliExpress. It is a Chinese website, and you need to tell your audience that you have a product and they can buy it from your website. And when they will buy your product from your website, then you will need to put that shipping address and all the other stuff on that Chinese website, and they're going to ship that product from China to your customer. And in this way, you don't even need to touch that product, as the supplier is directly shipping it towards your customer. And if you think that this business model is dying, it's not. As e-commerce is going up and up every single day, business is going to be profitable for another decade. And if you want to get into this business, then you can simply watch some channels on YouTube such as Bia has a Ecom King or any other channel on YouTube, and you can learn the basis on how to make money with drop shipping. And second way that you can make money on Instagram is by doing affiliate marketing. This is actually the foremost way, the easiest and the best way to make money on Instagram or any other social media platform, because you don't need to even create your own product or service. You just need to promote other people's product or service to your audience that they're in. If for example, if you have a cat page, then you can promote an ebook and you can get a commission from it. And in this, you are not even going to make your own ebook, as you're just selling other people's ebook. And the way you find this type of offers is that you can go to ClickBank, Digistore or any other affiliate marketing program, and they're just going to give you a commission. And if you want to make money with this business model, you need to have an established audience, or you can run ads on Instagram, or you can ask for shoutouts from bigger pages than yourself. But if you don't want to do shoutouts, you don't want to run ads, then you need to have an established audience on Instagram or any other social media platform in order to get some sales. Because if you don't have any audience, then nobody is coming over to your affiliate link, and then nobody is going to buy it. So therefore, you need to build an audience. And in this video, I have talked about how you can go from 0 to 10k followers, and you can check out this video after watching this. The link is going to be in the description below, or the video is just going to play at the end screen in the end. So the third way that you can make money on Instagram is by doing sponsorships. And if you want to make money with the help of sponsorships, you need at least 10k followers before you start seeing some companies reaching out to you asking for shoutouts on your page. And if you're wondering how can you get about 10k followers on your profile in such a short period of time, then this video is going to be in the link in the description below. And also, if you're able to touch that threshold of 4,000 10k followers, then you're going to start making money simply by posting other people's post on your page for X amount of money. And you need to keep in mind that whenever you will start getting sponsorships on your page, don't just worry about the money. Just don't keep on doing sponsorships like 3 sponsorships a day. Like doing 1 or 2 like in a week is enough. And because if you start doing too much sponsorships on your page, this will kill the community, and this will just tell your audience that you have just made this page to make money and you don't care about them. And also, just like doing about 1 or 2 or even 3 in a single week is more than enough, so that this way you make the balance between providing content and selling something. Fourth way that you can make money on Instagram is by selling your custom merchandise. If you didn't know that you can sell your own custom merchandise on websites known as Teespring, Redbubble, and even Amazon Merch. And the best thing about this business model is that you are just creating designs on their platform, and that website is going to do all the hard work. They're going to print your design, they're going to ship that thing to your customer. And the best part thing is that you don't need to worry about the shipping and the charges that you're going to get while shipping that product to your audience. And you just need to collect the profit that you're getting. And yeah, that's all for this business model. And I think that Teespring is way more better as compared to other like Amazon Merch or Redbubble. As in, if you use Teespring, after you get about 2 or 3 sales, Teespring starts pushing your t-shirt to other audience without even you doing any promotion. Whereas on Amazon, the listing just stays where it is, and if you get sales, it goes here and there. But if you use Teespring, it's going to go way more higher if you get about 2 or 3 sales. And I am not an affiliate, but if you want to try, you can visit Teespring. The link is going to be in the description below. And if you think that it is going to be really easy, it's not going to be that easy selling your merch, as it's just a t-shirt. But you need to make a great t-shirt that that links with your audience. And if you want to learn how you can create a great website or a great page on Teespring, then you can surely check out other videos on YouTube. It may help you a lot if you want to get into this business. So the fifth way, with the last but not the least way to make money on Instagram, is by making your own digital product. For example, if you have a cat page, you can make an ebook that tells people how they can train their cats, and you can make an ebook on it. And you can use websites like Gumroad or Amazon Audible, that's what I think you call it. And you can use it to sell your digital product. And you can tell your audience that I have made an ebook, and go to Amazon to buy it because it talks about this and that kind of stuff. And if you use Amazon Audible, it's going to, like, whenever you're going to start getting some sales, it's going to rank your ebook on the first or second page. And whenever someone will search for cat training books, and your product or your ebook will have a chance to rank on the first page. And this way you can make some passive income, not only from Instagram but from other resources, and you are making some multiple stream of incomes. So now let's talk about the question, which is that it is easy or it is hard to sell or make money on Instagram. Like, you need to understand that there are 2 ways that you can make money on Instagram: the paid way and a free way. In a paid way, what you can do is that all the things that I have mentioned before, if you're selling a product with dropshipping, or you're selling a product through affiliate marketing, selling your t-shirts, your own product, what can you do is that you can go to bigger pages than yourself in the similar niche, and you can tell them that they can do a shout out for your product, and for a certain amount of money, for 24 hours or for 12 hours. And you can start making money. Just try it after you start like promoting your product. Or you can run Instagram ads. You can just do the same way, just by going to like run ads for your product, for your service, for your t-shirt, or for something else. You can run ads. And the best thing about running ads or the paid way is that you don't need to worry about building an audience, and you can just start making money right after you have built your store. And also time consuming, as if you're going to go with the free way, it is going to take your time to build audience, community, and then sell. But with paid ways, you can just directly run ads and get people rolling into your website. And the and if you want to go through the free way, the first thing, yeah, you need to do is that you need to like first need to like build an audience. You need to first build an audience to a certain amount of money before you can make some money. And also you need to focus on building a community, because followers that don't engage with you, they are useless. So you need to like try to make a great community that like engages with you, and then you will start making money with your page. And the best thing about being the free way is that you get to experience, and you need to start learning about your audience and what they like, what they don't like, and you are just a part of that journey. And plus, in free ways, you don't need to you don't need to like worry about like paying for the ads or for the shout outs, as it's your own audience, and you can promote whatever you want to promote for free, and you can have higher profit margins. But before, you need to know how you can build a great community, and also you need to worry about, or you need to understand how you can get followers, and which I have talked about in this video. And yeah, that's all. And comment down below if you think that which way is better and why it is better, and I will be replying to all of them. For today's video, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it and you learned something new. And comment down below which way, or which way that to make money is better, the free way or the paid way. And out of these 5 ways that you can make money, which is the best way that you think that you're going to start making money. And I'm going to reply to all of them. And if you guys got value, then consider subscribing and like this video for the algorithm, as it helps out the channel a lot, and also it motivates me to make more videos just like this one. And surely now check out this video, and I think that it is going to be really helpful for you. And I'll see you in this video. Bye.